Rowserworld.
Alright guys, and welcome to another segment of John with the Rouser. And today I'm going to be doing a quick picture of Eminem. So we got our reference photo here. Let's go ahead and jump into it. If you guys haven't checked out Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg, I have drawn them as well. You can go back and check them out. They're probably two of my most recent uploads here. So we're going to go ahead and get started here, all right? Let's start with Eminem's little, let's start with his bottom half of the face here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a nice round shape here. It seems pretty round to me. And then I'll come over here and draw my ear shape in, like so. Alright, so this is where we should be right now. Alright, then over here, I'm just going to put a little bit of the ear out there. Okay, and then I'm going to curve in just a little bit and up. Alright, just a little bit, ever so slightly. Let's go ahead and put a neck shape here. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start putting our hat shape. Okay, so we'll do something like this. We'll come across. We'll make a shape come up like this. Make a shape that comes up like this. And then draw a little line like that. Okay. Now, let's go here. Okay. Keep it real simple for you. We want to get an overall shape of the caricature right first. All right, then we'll come here, do like that, and then here you can see he has a Kango. I guess I'll go ahead and do like this here. Now let's go ahead and start putting in our eyebrow shape here. So we'll do something like this, right? Okay, and then we'll do like this here. Add our eyebrows in. Okay, and then we're gonna go with our eye shape here. So we're gonna do something like this here. Boom. And then we're gonna do something like this. Boom. All right. Then we're gonna come up here. Boom, and this is where you should be at right about now. Boom. Boom. Okay. All right, now let's go ahead and just add our shape in there like this. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and put our eyes in there like this. Okay, that's where we should be right now. All right, let's go ahead and put our nose shape here. So he has a nose shape that's kind of like, I think it's kind of like this here. Boom. And then it just kind of does like something like that. Alright. And then we'll put our shape here. Boom. Okay. Now we're going to put our mouth shape here. So we'll just do a shape like this. Like that. He has a small upper lip. He has small lips, period. So, all right, now let's just go ahead and put our mustache shape. So we're gonna do like that, like that, like that. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna reach over here and get my little black marker here. This one will just cover ground a lot faster, so I don't keep you guys here all day. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna bring this shape all the way around and just color it in. I'm just gonna do a little coloring, just like that. Okay, and let's go ahead and also use this on our eyebrow shape. All right, looks like a plan right there. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and I'm going to add some dimension kind of to my shapes right there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add the collar to the jacket, right? Okay. And just a little bit of here and there's, right? That's what we call those, the here and there's. of this is just, this is really instinctual. You have to just learn how to draw from your instinct, just like anything else. It is a learning curve. If you want to learn to do caricature, just watch some of the videos. I have given the secret away. I have secretly given the secret away, right? All right. Now that we have our black and white down, we can come back with our gray marker, and we're going to work some real magic with this marker right here, okay? And what I mean by magic, I mean poof, right? All right, let's go ahead and add some shadows here. Now, when we add the shadows in, what that does is it brings a 3D nature to your picture. So look at how when we add that shadow onto the hat. It's one thing to draw the hat, but when you add the shadow, watch what it does. You see how it makes it look like you see what I'm saying? Like it's coming off the head. Like that's what you want, And it doesn't take a lot to be able to do those little nuances that you need to bring your picture out, but you just gotta know, to do them. All right, so pretty much, I think we got our drawing down to a science here. I really can't see a whole lot I need to do other than I might just color this hat in up here. So what I can do to color in the hat, I can actually use a crayon here. We got a little crayon, right? And it's a big crayon, so it shouldn't take long at all. So we just use like a quick little crayon job, right? Look at that right there. That's beautiful. All right, let's just go ahead and go down through there. All right, make a little pattern. I always try to color with the same pattern. I'll put me a base layer like that, and then after that I'll just come back and I'll follow the same pattern, but I'll make contours in my hat. You know what I mean? Just stuff that'll make it look cooler right? Just something like that. Do the same thing for this jacket down here. There we go. All right. So I think I'm done here. So what I'm gonna do, check it out, is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put since I put everybody else at the Super Bowl, we're gonna put some more people here at the Super Bowl, right? Everybody's jamming, right? Put some hands up, put your hands up. I know what they're saying. It's the moment, the music, the message that you can't let it never go again. You only miss one chance, you gotta get the chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. All right. And then as they get, this is our little end of our stage, and you know who this is right here. Let's give her some little eyelashes. That's Haley. Dad, I'm right here. Can I go out with my friends? No, I'm performing right now. Okay, and then we got people in the background back here. These are our little ant people back here. And we call them ant people because they paid less for their tickets. So they're in the nosebleed section with their cell phones. So we can see the little flashes from way back there. Those are going to be crappy pictures, I guarantee it. All right. All right, anyway. So that's my picture of Eminem, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put the name right here. Eminem. I always wanted to spell his name M like the candy, but I know somebody will not like the video if I do that. So, all right. So pretty much, guys, that's done. I want to thank you for watching a video tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed my jokes, at least, right? Thanks again, once again, for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video tutorial. Up next, guys, Kendrick Lamar. The Rouser's out. Peace. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like.
Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So, guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.